The death toll from the wildfires in Los Angeles, California has climbed to 16. According to authorities, 5 of the deaths were attributed to the Palisades fire and 11 resulted from the Eaton fire. The figure is expected to rise as teams, accompanied by cadaver dogs, conduct systematic grid searches through the devastated neighborhoods. Meanwhile, over 150,000 residents in Los Angeles County are under evacuation orders.
President Bongbong Marcos extended his sympathies to the victims of the devastating wildfires in Southern California, USA. In a statement, Marcos expressed hope for the affected communities to recover through strength, compassion, and solidarity. Southern California is home to approximately 2 million Filipinos.
Yeah.
Yan,
So,
kaya sabi
16 na ha,
Yeah, 16.
yung
Kaya sinasabi,
death
di ba,
toll.
yung in-interview nila isang, I think it is the deputy director ng fire ng Southern California. Parang perfect storm ang nangyari niya na all the conditions went into play to make it a very difficult enemy, yung fire daw.
Yeah.
You had the wind, you have strong wind.
Santa Ana winds, they call it
Yeah,
the
the Santa Ana winds, you have the strong winds. Number 2, you had very dry lands, di ba? And then you couple with that with a tinder daw or something that's a catalyst. You have the perfect fire. They had the video nga, sa backyard ng isang lalaki kung saan nagsimula. And then parang nung in-inspect ng firemen, you could hear daw the dialogue sinasabi. Oh no, this could get terrible in about 20 minutes or so. Nakita nila. Oo.
Kasi ang init din ng panahon dun eh. Very dry yung mga leaves.
Yun,
diba?
speaking of dry, yun ang sinasabi nila ng ibang law officers na if the people managing the area, dinampen nila yung daily, yung grounds ng Palisades, saka yung areas surrounding it kung saan talaga malala ang sunog, kalagang hinose down na lang muna every day. Hindi siya it won't be that bad. Tignan nyo ha,
Kasi we've seen some reports na ibang mga residents na before sila nag-evacuate or na-evacuate nila yung pamilya nila, may naiwan na isa na member
yun ang
of the
sasabihin ko
family.
sana. The houses that were saved, hindi to biro, all the houses that were saved, may katabi siyang sunog lahat. Pero may mga houses na natitira, ginagawa ng owners, binasa yung perimeter.
Oo.
Binasa yung bubong.
Parang overnight daw sila
Sa
nagbabasa,
bubong.
walang tulugan.
Bubong tsaka sa
sides.
sa grass sa sides.
Oo.
Bakit bubong? Kasi yung ember wind galing sa taas yun eh. So yung fire nagsisimula sa bubong. Tapos meron din yung gapang sa baba. So yung mga ibang owners nagtsaga lang ibasa. Hindi siya umabot yung fire. Pero yung katabing-katabing bahay, sunog na sunog. So yun ang sinasabi nila na it could have been lessened yung devastation if yung land was not so dry.
Sinasabi nga nila, gano'n ba kalawak itong area na to, itong Palisades na to? Isipin
Palisades?
Sorry. Yung LA downtown, twice nun. Yun daw kalawak itong Palisades.
The Pacific Palisades kasi is a rich area. I think that's where, correct me if I'm wrong, no? That's where Kobe Bryant's helicopter crashed near the Pacific Palisades area.
And then
It's a mountainous region that was never
hillside siya, hindi kasi siya isang lawak na
mountain and valleys.
Yes.
But several people were saying kasi you should have never built a community in that area because it's not really, the conditions are not favorable to be inhabited.
Pero sabi nila, the whole side naman nung Palisades hindi naman daw yun lahat residential. So yun nga, may hillside siya, may commercial, may Pero kaya ang lawak ng damage. Then if you can see the satellite, di ba, pinakita nila yung before and after, puro green and nung nasusunog na talagang orange, pula na lang nakikita nila through the satellite.
Yes, and a lot of California kasi and LA is not naturally formed. May mga parts ng LA kasi na reclaimed area. Kasi maliit, makipot yung area ng California. So pinalawak nila yung California. And some parts where they built communities are not really made to be lived on. Because the weather is really, could be extremely cold or extremely hot. And since October pa pala sa Southern California, ang huling ranas nila ng ulan. So could you imagine how dry the land is? October of last year ang huling
And
ulan.
it's really heartbreaking to see, nakikita mo doon sa ibang mga reports na pinapakita nila na parang kunyari, ito yung fire dito sa side na to, and then this side wala pa pero malapit na. And then you'll see yung mga nakatira doon, talagang nagtutulong-tulong sila na maapula yung apoy sa gilid para hindi kumalat. And even lahat na nang makita nilang pwedeng ibuhos na tubig doon na nasa kaldero,
Tsaka yung-
hino-hose down nila.
Yung firemen who are trying to save houses, nahirapan sila because wala, yung water pressure bumagsak. Because
Yung mga fire hydrants daw, walang water, yung iba.
Oo, because sabay-sabay kasi yung mga firemen gumagamit ng hydrants. So, nung sabay-sabay sila gumagamit, syempre, parang you're drinking, you have 10 straws in one glass, sabay-sabay kayo iinom, mas mabilis mauubos. Pero ang sabi kasi ng ibang residents, if you put 10,000 fire hydrants, that means 10,000 fire hydrants were meant to be used.
Oo.
So, bakit wala kang capacity
Yung iba,
to
oo.
provide for 10,000?
Oo, parang hindi ang tawag doon, anong word na yun, hindi akma
Yung supply.
number of fire hydrants doon sa
I
mga
guess,
residential areas
sabi nga
doon,
nila,
sa mga buildings.
nobody really expected a fire of this magnitude to happen. Kaya nga
Grabe,
sabi nga ng Deputy Director ng Fire ng SoCal o Southern California, this was the perfect storm, kumbaga.
Grabe.
I know, well, our prayers go out to,
We continue to pray for them.
Yeah.
Of course, there are massive donation campaign na nangyayari ngayon. Talagang bayanihan din sila doon, yung mga
the
donation
people
drive.
of Altadena,
Yung iba
Pacific
nagluluto,
Palisades. Yeah.
nagdadala ng pagkain para mismo sa mga firefighters to help them as well doon sa area.